Hello and welcome back to another episode. Guys, in today's video, I have a super duper star here. We have the very Starbucks lemon cake copycat here. And guys, as you can see, it looks super lemony, and guys, let me tell you, this one is super lemony because I have a couple hacks that will help you to bring out that sour flavor. So let's get to work. Like always, I'm gonna leave the entire recipe down in the description box for you guys. For this recipe, you gonna need sugar, oil, you're gonna need some salt, vitamin C, and vanilla extract. You're also gonna need milk, 3 medium-sized eggs, lemons, organic if possible, flour, powdered sugar. You're also gonna need pudding powder and baking powder. Last but not least, quark. By the way, if you don't have quark in your country, I'm going to leave a link down below so that you have your quark at hand. It's a high protein curd. So these hands that you see, these are from my mom. So mom is always helping me. She is a queen. And what she's doing here is she's trying to get the zest off of the lemon. Be careful, guys. This one that we have is super sharp. So hence she was very careful. Second step is to squeeze out the lemon. Once we did that, we're going to just add the zests to the sugar and really massage it into the sugar so that we get out all the nice flavor and oil of the lemon zest into the sugar. And as you can see, it gets kind of like wet. Now I'm adding the other ingredients and we keep massaging it because this is kind of like the process and will make your cake taste more like lemon, guys. Trust me, it works. Next, we're gonna add the sugar to the eggs. I'm using here mom's amazing KitchenAid. Thank you, mom. And it makes life super easy. So I'm gonna just continue till everything gets kind of foamy, as you can see, and then I'm adding little by little 2 to 3 to 4 tablespoons of the lemon juice, depending on how moist you like it. I also add the oil and the quark here. Just mix it well, and then once you can see those the quark sticking kind of to the edges, switch off the machine and make sure you get all the good ingredients into the mixture. With baking, this is really important. Otherwise, the cake may be too soft or too hard. Next, we're going to start adding the dry ingredients little by little. First, I added the baking powder and then the pudding pulver. The pudding powder, that was German, to give it the nice kind of taste. And it makes also the cakes a little softer. And then I'm adding just the flour little by little. Same approach here. Once you see that anything is just sticking here and there at the corners, just stop your machine and make sure you get all of the good ingredients combined together. Once the mixture is done, it's time to prepare your oven dish. I just kind of like managed to put in the paper in a way that I have nice edges. If you want to see how I did that, just write me in the comment section. I will definitely do it in the next one or on my Instagram, even better. I will bake the cake again and then show it to you in my Instagram account. Now we're going to bake the cake. Preheat this entire oven of yours on 200 and then bake the cake for about 40 minutes on 180 depending on your oven. Next, as you can see, I'm adding the powdered sugar, like 4 tablespoons actually, to the lemon juice. Not too much because I want it to taste lemony. And then what I have here, guys, I mix the rest of the powdered sugar with the milk. And if it looks like this, which it did, I thought I need way less of the powdered sugar. I put also a couple of the lemon zests in because I like that also to taste lemony. I just saw that's way not enough of sugar. So I just added and added and added. Obviously, in the description box down below, I'm going to write you down how much you need, but that was my experience. Now, once the cake is done and you cooled it down, and it's kind of like not super cold, but already a little colder, it's time to add this lemony juice, which is pretty much like lemon juice, slightly sweetened. And I just try to really soak this cake. Like, it will taste so lemony. So we have a couple hacks here in this video. Just kind of, guys, you add the vitamin C, like just a little bit, about a gram, 1 gram, maybe 2 grams. Then this lemon zest trick with the sugar. And now this juice, guys, this is the ultimate lemon loaf. Try it out. Leave me a comment down below. So now, as you can see, I added way more sugar, and actually I could even add more if I wanted. So it looks super white, super creamy, and we're gonna cover this lovely loaf with this delicious topping till everything is covered, like everything. Don't stop. Once it looks like this, yes, I am so obsessed with this cake. It just is beautiful. I added some lemon slices that I cut into quarter, kind of like a half cut, and then made these circles. It looks pretty cute. I really like it. And that's it. Leave it, let it cool down, and then it's time to try this baby. And like always, also in 2023, Mom is going to help me to taste it and tell you guys how this baby tastes. Hello, this is the last recipe of the year. It's a Starbucks lemon loaf, Mom's favorite, and we are going to try it. So, Mama, bereit?
Ja.
Here is this. Ching. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow.
به خدا رو دست نمیمونه. یعنی
Super tender. Very, very nice.
تارت.
Like super soft. Perfectly baked. Very sour. I love it. It's the Starbucks Copycat, guys.
Das ist ein Kuchen. Danke.
Guys, try it out. Let us know if you like it and how you like it. There is no whip. Bye. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.